All right, it's here. Vertical video with IGTV has arrived and everybody's talking about it, but I want to give you guys 5 pro tips that I think that will help you take your IGTV videos sort of to that next level and using it within the Instagram platform. Let's go. What's good, creative fam? Brandon Washington here. And first of all, if you're new to the channel and you haven't already, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button, because this channel is all about filmmaking, gear, tips, tutorials, all of that great stuff. And as I mentioned before, in this video, we're going to be looking at a couple tips, 5 tips in particular on how to use IGTV like a pro. Now, there's a lot of things that you can do with IGTV that a lot of people just, in my opinion, just aren't talking about, and I think it's just because it's so new. Everyone's talking about how to shoot with it, but there are some things you can do within IGTV to really set yourself apart, and we're going to be going through them right now. So the very first one is the fact that everyone now has the ability to use swipe up within their Instagram stories. That's right. So if you are using an Instagram story, you can now use swipe up and actually send people to your IGTV video. Now, this is something that has been around, swipe up. It's not new, but you always could swipe up and take people to an external link within Instagram's browser. But at the end of the day, you had to have 10,000 subscribers or 10,000 followers in order to be able to have that feature. Now, anyone can swipe up and send you to an IGTV video. Now, not everyone can still swipe up and just go to an external link, but I'm going to tell you guys in just a second why this is actually even better for you in the long run. Now, number 2 is actually in your description for your IGTV videos, you can have clickable URL links. And that is why, kind of going back to the first one, this is so big. See, you've never been able to have clickable URLs almost anywhere. Whether you were in your posts, you could put one, literally one, in your description on your Instagram bio, and then you had the swipe up option, but that was pretty much the only way to get people to an external link. But now with your IGTV videos, you can actually put a clickable URL right in the description. This is going to be big, especially if you want to try to gauge where people are going within your content. So for example, they watch your story, they swipe up from your story, that takes them to your IGTV video, they watch your video, in your video you reference, click that description and click on the link in the description, and then that sends them to your website, and you don't even have to have 10,000 subscribers to make this happen. So this is something that I think is really interesting, super awesome that Instagram has actually rolled out, and I'm really interested to see how people actually use this new ability. All right, and now for number 3. So the third tip is how to actually upload high quality videos directly through Instagram using your computer. See, it's obviously that it's a lot better if you actually upload your videos directly through a computer, because you can actually then export your videos at a higher resolution, higher bitrate, and then you don't have to worry about trying to upload that via your phone, which tends to have a lot more issues when doing that. So the best way to actually upload your videos is to upload them directly through your computer. And so it's super easy. You just go to Instagram.com, go into your profile page, and right in the middle, there's a little tab that says IGTV. Click the upload button, and boom, you are easily now uploading your video directly to IGTV in all its high quality goodness. In my opinion, this is going to be a ground-changing, game-changing way, because personally, I edit all my videos on my computer. I mean, I don't really edit anything on my phone, and so normally what I end up finding myself having to do is export my video from my computer and then airdrop it to my phone and then upload it, and then sometimes the quality doesn't come out as great as I think it should. This eliminates that extra step, so now you can actually upload your video straight to IGTV from your computer, just like you would with a YouTube video. All right, and now the 4th tip is actually one that I think is gonna set you up for a really good future with IGTV, and that is hashtags in your descriptions. Now, hashtags currently are not searchable via IGTV. In fact, if you go to a certain hashtag, you won't see any IGTV videos associated with it. But I don't think this is going to be the case for long, because if you actually put a hashtag in your IGTV description, you can click on that hashtag and it'll take you to the hashtag page. I just said hashtag like a ton of times. So what I think this means is that eventually hashtags will be something that is searchable via IGTV videos, which is huge. Currently, IGTV right now looks like it's all been catered to creators. It's all about making the process as easy for creators to create and upload and get it out to their existing audience as they possibly can, making that process super simple. But soon, if IGTV wants to be successful, they're going to have to basically flip that and make it easy for the consumers to search and find new creators. And that is where I think hashtags are going to be vital. Not only are people going to be able to use hashtags in order to search for new IGTV videos, but I think we're going to see very quickly in the Discover feed IGTV videos popping up as something related or something searchable or a new way to discover new creators, because hashtags have been the way that all those other things have shown up in the Discover feed. And so I definitely can see IGTV videos becoming one of those as well. And so if you're smart, you'll go ahead and start adding in those hashtags now, so that way when those videos start rolling out and that update starts rolling out, your videos are already positioned to do well within IGTV videos. All right, and the fifth and final tip when it comes to IGTV videos, and that is do it like a pro. What I mean by that is embrace vertical video, but don't just make one long cut. Use the same type of techniques that you would use to making a high quality video for YouTube with IGTV, because quality will stand out. So using things like proper lighting, good cameras, good lenses, great audio, being able to have excellent edits, play around with that vertical plane, knowing that yes, it is a vertical video, but you can throw in some horizontal shots and get really actual like creative with the way you edit these videos, because that's what's going to make your videos stand out. Because at the end of the day, Instagram or IGTV is going to be a game changer for a lot of creators, but if you're just going to be kind of just half doing it, you're not really going to stand out on the platform. Right now, everyone's doing it, everyone's trying it, and everyone wants to be a part of this new wave. But just like with most new things, half of the people, or honestly probably more than half the people, are gonna fall off. And so if you can do something right now to make yourself stand apart, and then when everyone else starts falling off, your content will stand supreme above everyone else's, I think you'll see a huge kind of just payoff for all the extra effort you put in IGTV. Because let's face it, in the future, they've already said they're gonna try to make it monetizable for creators, and hey, who wouldn't like that? So there you have it, guys. Those are my 5 pro level tips for IGTV. If you thought this video was helpful, definitely consider hitting that subscribe button and checking out some of the other videos. Also, if you have some other additional tips, go ahead and leave those comments down below, because I definitely don't think I know everything. But if there's any great tips that I missed, leave those down below so that way I know them and we can share them with the rest of the people along on this creative journey. But thank you guys again for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.